Imagine you are building a house with no doors, a house with no locks. You let everyone in. You give them your food, you give them your bed, you give them your warmth. And then you are surprised. You wake up cold, you wake up hungry, you wake up alone in a stripped bare room. That house is your personality, and that niceness you are so proud of, it is not a virtue, it is a lack of boundaries. Welcome to the dark reality of the nice guy. Today, we peel back the skin of social politeness. We are looking through the eyes of Niccolò Machiavelli, the man who understood power better than anyone in history. Why does the world ignore your kindness? Why do people walk over your efforts? Because you have made yourself a victim. You have traded respect for likes. You have traded power for approval. It is time to stop. It is time to learn how to be formidable. This isn't about becoming a villain. It is about becoming a person who cannot be ignored. Most people are nice because they are weak. They have no teeth. They have no claws. So they pretend to be peaceful. But there is a difference between a rabbit and a lion. A rabbit is nice because it has no choice. A lion is calm because it knows its own strength. Which one are you? If you are watching this, you know the answer. You feel the burnout. You feel the hidden resentment. You feel the sting of being taken for granted. In the next few minutes, your perspective will shift. You will learn the Machiavellian art of strategic detachment. You will learn why no is your most powerful weapon. You will learn the dark psychology of human respect. Let's look at the facts. Society tells you to be good, but society rewards the strong. This is the paradox of the modern man. We are taught to suppress our shadows. We are taught to be agreeable. But agreeableness is the enemy of progress. It is the enemy of self-worth. Machiavelli said it best. A man who wishes to be good in everything must necessarily come to grief because he lives among so many who are not good. This is your wake-up call. The nice guy era ends today. The era of the strategic man begins. Let's dive into the dark truth. Part 2. The core problem. Why is chronic niceness so dangerous? It's because it signals low value. In the wild, animals signal strength. In the office, humans signal status. When you say yes to every request, you are saying your time is worth zero. You are saying your energy is free. People don't value what is free. They value what is scarce. Think about gold. Think about diamonds. They are valuable because they are hard to get. Your kindness should be a diamond. Instead, you have made it like air. Everyone breathes it, but no one thanks the air. There is a dark side to your niceness too. Often it is a form of manipulation. You are being nice because you want something. You want them to like you. You want them to stay. You are trying to buy their loyalty. But loyalty cannot be bought with submissiveness. It is bought with respect. And respect is earned through friction. If you never disagree, if you never argue, if you never stand your ground, you have no identity. You are just a mirror. People don't fall in love with mirrors. They use mirrors to check themselves, and then they walk away. This is why you feel invisible. Machiavelli's philosophy is simple. Human nature is driven by self-interest. People will follow you if you are useful. They will stay with you if you are strong. But they will abandon you if you are only nice. Because nice is easy to replace. Let's talk about subconscious contempt. This is a psychological phenomenon. When you are too accommodating, People start to feel a hidden disgust for you. They think, why does this person have no spine? They think, what are they hiding? Excessive niceness feels like a lie. It creates an uncanny valley of personality. It pushes people away instead of pulling them in. You think you are being a saint. They think you are being a coward. This is the bitter pill you must swallow. Your goodness is being interpreted as weakness. And in the world of power, weakness is an invitation to aggression. Look at your life. Who takes credit for your work? Who interrupts you when you speak? Who leaves you on red for days? These people don't hate you, they just don't respect you. Because you haven't given them a reason to. You have trained them to treat you this way. Every time you laughed at a joke that wasn't funny. Every time you said, it's okay, when it wasn't. Every time you apologized for taking up space. You were teaching them how to disrespect you. You were writing the manual on how to hurt you. Machiavelli knew that men are ungrateful. They are fickle. They are simulators. They run away from danger, and they are greedy for gain. While you do them good, they are yours. But when the danger comes, they turn against you. This is the reality of the human condition. You cannot change human nature. You can only change how you interact with it. You must stop playing by the rules of a fantasy world. Start playing by the rules of the real world. The real world has shadows. The real world has predators. The real world has Machiavellian players. To survive, you must understand their language. You must understand the weight of your presence. You must understand that your yes means nothing, unless you are capable of saying no. Darkness is an evil. Darkness is a tool. It's time to pick up that tool. Part 3. The Machiavellian Strategy. Now let's talk about the solution. How do you shift from nice to powerful? First, the concept of fear versus love. Machiavelli asked the ultimate question. Is it better to be loved or feared? The answer is both. But if you must choose, choose fear. Now don't misunderstand. Fear in modern terms means consequences. People must know there is a price to pay for crossing you. If there is no price, there is no boundary. If there is no boundary, there is no respect. Second, strategic displeasure. Stop trying to keep the peace at your own expense. If someone disrespects you, don't mask it with a smile. Use the power of the dead stare. Use the power of silence. Silence is the ultimate Machiavellian weapon. It makes people nervous. It makes them wonder what you are thinking. It shifts the pressure from you to them. Third, the 80-20 rule of kindness. Give your kindness to only 20% of the people, the ones who have earned it, the ones who provide value to your life. To the other 80%, be polite but be distant. Be professional but be cold. This makes your inner circle feel special, and it makes the outsiders respect your time. Fourth, own your shadow. Psychologist Carl Jung spoke of this. You must integrate your capacity for aggression. A person who is incapable of harm is not virtuous. They are just harmless. A person who is capable of great destruction, but keeps their sword sheathed, that is a person of character. That is a person who is truly good, because their goodness is a choice, not a default setting. Fifth, stop explaining yourself. When you explain your no, you are asking for permission. You are giving them a chance to argue. I can't do it because I'm busy. This is a weak statement. I won't be doing that. This is a strong statement. No explanation needed, no apologies offered. Let them deal with the discomfort. It's not your job to manage their emotions. It's your job to manage your life. Machiavelli believed in appearance. You don't have to be a monster. You just have to be capable of being one. Control your narrative. Control your body language. Stand tall. Speak less. Listen more. The person who speaks the least in a room usually has the most power, because they are gathering information, while everyone else is leaking it. Information is the currency of power. Don't give it away for free. Sixth, be unpredictable. The nice guy is a straight line. Everyone knows where it goes. The strategic man is a curve. Keep people guessing. Occasionally break your own patterns. This creates an aura of mystery, and mystery creates attraction. It creates intrigue. It makes you the center of gravity in a room. Seventh, master the art of detachment. Don't be desperate for people to stay. Be willing to walk away from any deal. Be willing to walk away from any relationship. The person most willing to leave has the most leverage. This is the ultimate dark psychology secret. If they know you need them, they own you. If they know you can survive without them, they will work harder to keep you. This is how you flip the script. This is how you reclaim your throne. It starts with a shift in mindset. From "I hope they like me" to "I wonder if I like them." Part 4. The final transformation. Changing your nature is not easy. People will notice. They will say you've changed. They will say you're being mean. What they actually mean is, you are harder to manipulate. Take that as a compliment. Wear it like armor. The path of the Machiavellian is a lonely one at first. You will lose the people who were using you. You will lose the friends who only liked your yes. But you will gain yourself. You will gain clarity. You will gain an inner peace that niceness never gave you. Because this peace is built on strength, not on the fragile hope that everyone will be kind. Look at the greats of history. They were not nice, they were effective, they were strategic, they were respected, and they were often loved deeply by those they allowed in, because their love actually meant something. It was a rare gift, not a cheap handout. You have a fire inside you. You have been told to put it out. You have been told to be a candle in a windstorm. I am telling you to be the windstorm. Stop apologizing for your ambition. Stop apologizing for your standards. Stop apologizing for your existence. The world doesn't need more nice people. It needs more integrated, powerful people. People who know the dark but choose the light. People who can defend themselves, people who can protect others. This is the goal. This is the evolution. From nice guy to great man. Take a breath. Feel the weight of this truth. You are no longer a victim of your own kindness. You are the architect of your own respect. Go out there and test it. Say no to something today. Don't explain it. Watch their reaction. Feel your own power. It feels better than being liked, doesn't it? If this resonated with you, you know what to do. Don't be nice and just leave. Be strategic and join the circle. Subscribing isn't a favor to me. It's a commitment to your own growth. The journey into dark psychology has just begun. Master your mind. Master your world. Until next time, stay formidable.